In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim host control in a Zoom meeting. This is especially useful if you find yourself in a situation where you've joined a meeting as a participant but need to take over as the host. The process is straightforward and quick, and by the end of this guide, you'll feel confident in taking charge of any meeting with ease. First, let's get started by joining the meeting. You can do this through the Zoom app, whether you're on a desktop or mobile device, or even via the web. Once you're in the meeting as a participant, the next thing you'll want to do is open up the Participants panel. This is crucial because this is where you'll access the option to claim host control. If you're using a desktop, you'll see Meeting Controls, typically located at the bottom of your Zoom window. Among these controls, there's an icon labeled Participants. Go ahead and click on that. Doing so will reveal a list of all the attendees currently in the meeting. It's kind of like rolling out the guest list at a party to see who's present. Now, scroll down to the very bottom of this participants list. As you do this, keep an eye out for a button labeled Claim Host. This is your golden ticket to host status. Once you spot it, click on it. By doing so, you're effectively stepping up to the podium, so to speak, with all the powers and privileges that come with being the meeting host. Instantly, you'll notice a change in the participant list. Your name will now include a label, marking you as Host Me. This label signifies that you're now in control, with the ability to manage participants, share your screen, and even record the meeting if needed. It's as simple as that. This functionality is a fantastic feature for those times when the intended host gets waylaid or if there's been a mix-up. Being able to easily assume host duties ensures that meetings can proceed smoothly without the awkwardness or frustration of technical delays. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more familiar you become with the Zoom interface and its capabilities, the more seamless your meetings will be. The beauty of this process is its simplicity. Whether you're a tech wizard or new to the digital meeting space, claiming host control in Zoom is within your reach. Thank you for following along in today's tutorial. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to navigate any meeting setup efficiently. Whether it's a small team huddle or a larger conference session, you're ready to take the reins with confidence. Have fun hosting, and until next time, stay connected.